Welcome to Mars Lens, where we bring you the real, breathtaking views from NASA's Mars missions. Today, you're looking at a high-resolution panorama captured by the Curiosity rover on Sol 1381. At first, it might seem like just a rocky hill under a dusty sky, but every ridge, ripple, and slope you see here is a page from the red planet's history, written over billions of years. If you look closely, the hill in the center of the frame is layered with different shades of red and brown. These aren't random, they're sedimentary layers, formed when sand, silt, and minerals slowly settled in ancient lakes and rivers. Each stripe is like a time capsule, holding clues about a period when Mars may have been warmer, wetter, and possibly alive in ways we can only imagine. The darker areas scattered across the slope could be basaltic rocks, the cooled remnants of ancient volcanic eruptions. This tells us that Mars wasn't shaped by water alone. Deep beneath its surface, fire once roared. Lava would have spilled across the land, hardening into the tough, dark stone you see today. That mix of water-shaped sediment and volcanic rock is part of what makes Mars so geologically fascinating. Notice the fine, wavy lines in the foreground. Those are sand ripples, sculpted by the planet's thin but persistent winds. Even now, these winds shift grains of dust and sand, slowly reshaping the surface. It's a quiet reminder that Mars is not a frozen, motionless world. It's still changing, still alive in its own silent way. Moving your eyes further back, you can see subtle slopes and ridges that might once have been riverbanks or lake shores. Billions of years ago, liquid water could have pooled here, flowing gently before disappearing into the thin, dry air. The fact that these shapes have survived for so long is why scientists believe Mars once had an environment capable of supporting life. From this single image, NASA's team can study the mineral content, erosion patterns, and rock chemistry to piece together the story of Mars's climate. Was it once a blue planet like Earth? How long did the water last? And most importantly, did life ever have a chance to take hold here? Each rock, each ripple, each layer brings us one step closer to finding out. Just imagine standing here yourself. The air would be thin and cold, the sky tinted with a rusty haze, the ground stretching endlessly toward distant hills. It would feel alien, yet oddly familiar, like visiting a place you've never been, but somehow recognize from deep in your memory. Curiosity continues to roam, capturing more images like this, gathering more clues. One day, these clues might reveal the evidence we've been searching for all along. Proof that life once existed on Mars, or maybe still does in some hidden corner of this vast world. Until then, each photo is a piece of the puzzle, waiting to be solved. If you enjoyed this journey into the Martian landscape, let us know in the comments. For more real NASA images and discoveries, make sure to subscribe to Mars Lens and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next journey to the Red Planet.